On January 1st, so this is new, right here. On January 1st, 2019, the value of the equipment value was 14,450. The value after that date is modeled by V of t equals 14,450 e raised to negative 0.163 t. What is the rate of change in the value of the equipment on January the 1st, 2019? Okay, so it says find the rate of change. What is the rate of change in the value of the equipment on January 1st, 2019? We know the value was this. That we know. But they're asking us in part A, find the rate of change. Find the rate of change on January 1, 2019. What do I have to find first in order to find the rate of change at that moment? What do I have to find? In order to find the rate of change.
You have to find the derivative?
Yes. So V, thank you very much. V prime of t. Okay. So the constant stays 450. Now we are differentiating this. So this is a function, e to a function. When I differentiate e to a function, what do I have to write? E to that function times the inner function prime. What do I need to multiply by?
Negative 0.163.
Yes, the derivative of this, wonderful. So negative 0.163. Good. So I'm going to multiply these two numbers. Let's see. Maybe I should do it quickly here. So I have 0.163 multiplied by 14450. I got 2355.35. Of course, e to negative 0.163 t. Okay. So now we know that this is the rate of change. How do we determine the rate of change on January the 1st, 2019?
Would we put in 2 for 2 years?
Careful. Very good. Very good. However, it says that this formula starts here, not here. So the equipment was purchased new in 2017. In 2019, the value from the new dropped to this. I'm assuming, of course, that it was more expensive here. They're asking us to find, and this is the value on 2019. So they're asking us to find the rate of change.
Would it be -2?
I can't. I cannot punch in for t negative. So what will t equal to? So this formula starts at this moment where the value is this. So what will
t equals 0 then?
Exactly. T equals 0. The initial value, yes. So from here, v prime of 0. How much is e to 0?
Is it 1?
1.
Yes, e to 0 is 1. So this is the rate of change. It decreases. As we know, as we expect, it's depreciation, right? It's called depreciation. So this is indeed negative 2355.35. Measurement unit. Careful, this is the measurement unit of a rate of change. Please give me 2 measurement units.
Dollars per year?
Yes. Excellent. Part B. What was the original value of the equipment on January 1st in 2017? How do we do that?
This is gonna sound like it's probably wrong, but would we double that and subtract it from the first amount?
So,
Like, if that's how much you lose
careful,
in a
this
year.
is not linear depreciation.
Oh,
So as you see, the function is an exponential function. Okay, so in 2017, this is the original value. So I'm going to call it V0. Okay, in 2018, the value was, 2019, the value was 14450. So what do you think we should do?
Find the rate of change, I believe.
We did find the rate of change.
do we inverse it?
We determined the rate of change on 2019 at the beginning of 2019, right? So now so part B. Let me write part B here. So they want us to find the value. So we have the function v of t equals 14,450 e to negative 0.163t, but they told us that this function starts in 2019. And the value was the model is after 2019. So what do you think?
We still can't substitute in a -2 since it was 2 years ago, right?
So if we substitute -2, let me share my screen. Where is my button here? So so in the function, that's why I like to see the function. But remember, so this is E, and in parentheses, negative 0.163t, or x, because we don't have, okay? So when we plugged in 0, well, but that's the value. We're not asked to the rate of change. So if I plug in -2, it will give us the, let's check. It will give us, I don't like the question, to be honest, because they're telling us that the function starts in 2019. So that is the part that I think it's confusing. It's not, how can I plug in this function -2 if you tell me that the function itself is valid starting from 2019? How do I know that was valid in 2017? So I truly believe that's, I truly believe that the question is not formulated correctly. So V in 20, the value of -2, what did we get? Was 20,019.25. But you understand that there is a contradiction here. And the contradiction was in them saying, what is the rate of change in the value of the equipment? On January the 1st, 2019, the value of the equipment was this. The value after that date is modeled by. So I think the question is not correctly formulated. That's my opinion.